Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a stocks swing trading tutorial using our xBrat Algo Cradle2Grave Bundle. So the cradle is the signal, the grave is the trade management. So we have the xBrat Algo to give signals. On the left here you can see 4, 5, then 6-star sell signals, some good momentum building there. And then we use the manager to manage the trades, and we'll talk about these two trades on LMT. But first of all, look at the time frame, 195. Divide 195 into the minutes that are traded in the session, in the normal live session, and you'll see that goes exactly. Okay, so we need to, I would say, split down the trading session. So I also have 78 minutes and 39 minutes and things like that. So these are unusual time frames, but very, very powerful if you get to grips with some certain types of trading strategies. So we have the manager. So the manager we need to set now to swing trading. Okay, so there's different types of settings for the manager. Now with this swing trading, we're on the 195. We can see that's pretty flat the way the ribbon is going. So now if we just change that to day trading moderate, that gives us or even day trading conservative, it gives us a tighter type of stop scenario with the cloud. So I've gone day trading conservative on this because we're 195. I know we're swing trading, but it's just the setting that really allows us, when we look back, to really follow some great looking trades and maximize those profits here. So I'm not going to talk about these shorts here. These shorts were good. They were winners. I'm just going to talk, in fact, yes, let's do that. Let's talk about the last quarter. Okay, so we talk about a run into earnings here, a run into earnings here, and then an earnings reaction here. So we get a 5 and then a 6-star sell signal here. When the candle closes, the 6-star sell signal is pretty good here. 5-star just gives us a more aggressive entry. Entry for the 5-star would be a couple of cents below the close of the candle there. Let's just change that to green and get it dashed line. Okay, so that would there, and then we would look for, I mean, to be honest, when we look left, this is a really sort of major pivot that we need to get under. So the 6-star sell for me is the sell signal. That's where we want to be. Managing that trade, relatively simple. We could be more aggressive with this type of move. Once we start to get, when we get this big arrow here, we need to be out before earnings. Okay. We get a nice running to earnings, we get the short trade, and we get out because we have to wait for the earnings reaction and wait for a signal. Okay. Please be aware that earnings is very volatile and it can wipe any trade out that you've got. So we're trading into earnings with this. We got a 6-star sell. We go short at 407.07, and just before earnings we want to be getting out at 388.41. Decent little trade. We get the earnings reaction, we get no signal, so we don't trade. It's simple. Then we get a 4, a 5 and a 6-star sell signal here. 4-star, we want to go short at this point here. Okay, that's an aggressive entry. That's good. If we want to go slightly more conservative or slightly more conservative there, that's fine as well. So again, we can see with the 4, the 5 and the 6-star xBrat Algo signals, momentum to the downside is building. So these, you know, there's 3 different signals here. This is really good trade. So we move it down and then you can see the manager ribbon goes red. We stay in this trade. We don't panic on this pullback. We stay in the trade until just before earnings, and we get out. 2 trades in 1 quarter, both shorts, both winners. Now we get the earnings reaction, which gives us a 5-star buy signal on this candle and then a 6-star buy signal on this candle. If we're being conservative, we take an entry above the high of the 6-star candle, and we're still in it right now. Okay, what we can do if we wish, because this was quite a parabolic move, we can adjust the manager now to maybe day trading moderate. Okay, you see how tighter that is? The distance between the high and the low of the ribbon is slightly less, and this would give us a more aggressive trade management strategy. But right now, very, very simple. So we've gone through 3 trades in a quarter. That's what swing traders should be looking at. Maybe only even 2. But we had, I mean, look, LMT on the 195, there are patterns that occur. We sell off into earnings. We sell off into earnings, but we wait for the signal. We get a sensible entry strategy and we manage it all the way into earnings. We make sure we're out before the earnings. So if the earnings is the next morning, we're out. The night before we close the position, we take the profit. The same with this short here. And then the earnings reaction at this point here gives us a long, and we're in this trade. 3 trades in a quarter. Very, very simple. This is a swing trading strategy that is simple and repeatable using the xBrat Algo cradle to grave. So the cradle is that signal, the xBrat Algo signal, which grades the trade as well. So not only does it give a signal, it's, you know, gives it a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6-star. 6-star signal a little later, but it's like a 6-star hotel. Very, 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 very nice signal. Both long and short, and then we just use the manager to manage the trade. So check out the links below. This is the TradingView version. I will put the links to the other versions of the Cradle to Grave bundle as well, but it's great for swing trading stocks. You just need to be patient, wait for the signal, get a sensible entry strategy, and then manage it with the manager. I'm also going to put a link in the bottom there for the manager bootcamp, training bootcamp, because I think it's important to understand how that works. Okay, hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.